What's up, guys? Samurai 23 here, and I'm back with another video. It's Lenar Young. The neighbors that make noise complaints. Now, I have not been really watching his videos like that. I seen a couple of them, and I really love them. I even seen his appearance in Caleb City, and he's really awesome. I like his content. But without further ado, let's dive in. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification up below. Thank you. Let's dive in.
I gotta take the dude. 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 I gotta take the dude.
What the fuck are you listening to?
What's up? It's your neighbor from downstairs. I don't mean to bother
It's
you,
your neighbor
but
from downstairs.
please turn your music down just a little bit. You know, I don't mean to disturb your fun, but I just got work tomorrow morning. I don't mean to bother you, but it ain't no problem. I'm about to turn my music off anyway. Okay. I was seeing if it was okay with you. I'm sorry. I don't, we could, I don't want to stop you from listening to your music. But no, it's all good. You don't even got to explain yourself. It's getting towards that time, and I understand. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you for being so kind about it. Have a nice day, too. What's up? Again, hello. I don't mean to bother you again, but is there like a party or any type of dancing going on upstairs? Because I keep hearing like a crazy knock coming from my ceiling. Oh, no. That was my table. Like I moved it a little bit. Sorry to disturb you again. These floors are just very hollow. You can just hear everything, hear stuff on the wall. So my bad. Just be mindful when you move stuff around because it's like really loud. So it's all good.
Yeah, see, this is why I just want to get a house. I can't do apartments. If I do, no. I'm getting myself a house. I'm not dealing with it. I can't deal with other people like that, man. Other human beings, no. Can't even rub his hands.
Hey, what's up? No, I rubbed my hands together. How did you hear that? It was a really hollow.
Was it really a hollow? Let me go see what the fuck going on. What the fuck?
You caught me?
What?
I am purposely trying to ruin your life. Okay? Okay. That's what I'm up here to do. Oh, hey, what you doing? Hey, come on, hey, we can talk about this. We can talk about this.
Oh God!
Hey, all right, listen. Ah! Okay, man. My nuts, man. My nuts. Hey.
Oh my God! All right, so that's Lenar Young right there. The neighbors that make noise. Yeah, essentially, guys. As you can see, I have my own house. I can't do apartments, and I can't do it because next thing you know, you walk or you say something, and you it's like look, I'm all about freedom, okay? Like, I need my freedom. I can't be like, I can't have restriction. I don't know, that sounds very bad when I say it, but like, I like, when it comes to my home, I'm gonna do what the fuck I want to do, and there, like, I'm gonna be very honest with you. I'm gonna do what the fuck I want to do, and I know a lot of people feel the same fucking way. You know, it was just like, hey, do what you want to do. It is your house. Be as loud as you want. Run in the yard. Do it. Hey, do what you want to do. You know, scream, throw shit. You know, it's like, hey, ah! You scream as loud as hell. Like, hey, do what you want to do, baby. But that was a great video. I'm gonna start watching more of his videos. That was actually what's up. All right, guys. Samurai 23 out.